Welcome to our deep dive into the iPhone 16. Today, we're exploring hidden settings that will transform your experience. First up, let's streamline your notifications using custom focus modes. This allows you to prioritize what matters most. Next, we have enhanced privacy settings. Your data deserves the best protection, and these settings can help you shield it effortlessly. Unlock pro-level photography options with advanced camera settings, perfect for capturing every moment beautifully. Don't miss out on the latest Apple Health upgrades. Let's dive into hidden features that optimize your wellness. Siri shortcuts can save you time every day. Here's how to automate your daily tasks like never before. Maximize longevity and performance with effective battery optimization techniques. Always stay connected. Let's ensure inclusivity and ease of use with iPhone 16's powerful accessibility features. Rather than tapping, discover hidden gestures that make navigating your iPhone 16 effortless and fun. These hidden settings will undoubtedly enhance your iPhone experience. Dive in and explore.